हाँ वो ये गलत है, ये देख लिया और एचपी वाला कुछ लिखा है।
थ्री पिन लगेगा।
हाँ ये बात तुमने मुझे बोली थी ना यार। हाँ आईडेंटिटी फंक्शन की ये हमने जो ये तो ऐसे ही याद रखा ये डिफॉल्ट हो रहा है ना इसको करंट डिफरेंट फंक्शन ना ये तो ऐसा ना सर का ये तो मान लो हम फॉरवर्ड कितने यार करते हैं देता हूं और इसमें फंक्शन चल रही है जबकि आगे चल रहा है ये भी सब एप्लीकेशन पे वो सब बना रहे हैं इसलिए कैसे बना रहे हैं बस नहीं
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, one second. Yeah, Nazar. Can you see the screen?
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah. Not JavaScript. We will learn jQuery. Okay, Najar. In our last session, we just discussed about the jQuery. What is the jQuery and what is the jQuery? Exactly why we use the jQuery? What is the working of jQuery? Nazar, can you hear me?
No. No, we did not discuss jQuery yesterday.
Okay, libraries. I just told you about the libraries. What is the libraries exactly? With the help of printf
Yeah.
function. Okay, I didn't tell you the jQuery. Okay, one second. Now, today we are going to discuss about the jQuery. What is the jQuery and what is the, how we code with the jQuery? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. jQuery nothing just a collection of libraries. Collection of libraries coded with JavaScript. Okay. Collection of
Okay.
libraries coded with JavaScript means jQuery is the JavaScript code. All the function means we will use so many functions of jQuery and that functions is defined with the JavaScript code, and we will just include the particular file of jQuery and we will use the inbuilt function same as printf, print underscore r, print underscore v. I just one second discuss. Okay, same as in php what we have so many inbuilt function, predefined functions are there, Nazar.
Yeah.
Yeah, means database function mysql underscore connect or some echo function, displaying function print underscore r. These are inbuilt function means the definition of this function is saved into one libraries, but these libraries are php language library means the developer of php they just build the libraries and just define these function. We will just use that function, working of that function. Okay, we directly use same as in case of javascript and jQuery. Jquery is a libraries of javascript means jQuery have so many functions and coded with javascript. Okay, the definition of
Mm-hmm.
each jQuery function is with JavaScript code. Okay, Nazar? So, so JavaScript is client-side scripting language. Yes, JavaScript is a client-side scripting language or not, Nazar?
Yes.
So our jQuery is also a client-side scripting language. Means jQuery, all the code of jQuery is done with the JavaScript. So jQuery also a client-side scripting language. There is no difference in jQuery and JavaScript. jQuery is just a libraries that enhance. You can say the enhanced version of JavaScript. Okay. There is some
Okay.
syntax change. The change syntax means the new functions. All means in the JavaScript they just define new functions and put all the code into one combination of libraries, mean into one file, and we will use that file and the functions directly. We will use the working of that already defined function. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you can write. You can see here jQuery is a JavaScript libraries. Okay. Now you understand about the library. What is the libraries?
Yeah. Save functions basically.
Yeah, basically the needed code means function definition. All the code of functions is saved into one file. We call that file libraries. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. jQuery greatly simplify JavaScript programming. jQuery is easy to learn. Okay. jQuery is a client-side scripting language and the collection of libraries of JavaScript. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's see this example. This is not the starting example, but I just want to describe this example. If you understand this example, then you can code anything in the jQuery. Okay, just some syntax. You have to just Google it about the function. You just have to create the logic. Every syntax, every the function name are available on the Google. You can search. You can just take the syntax of that particular function and you can use it. But you have to know. But you have to know what is the working of the function. You have to create your logics. Syntax can be searched from the Google. Okay, just concentrate on the logic only. Okay. Okay, Nazar?
Okay.
Okay. Now, um, let's see what is this example exactly. Okay. Let's see first what is the working of this code. What is the working of this code? After this we will see how it works. Okay. If I click any, these are the paragraph tag, or you can say the sentences. Okay. One second.
Okay.
One second. It is okay. If I click anyone, then it will just removed, or you can say hide from our browser. Whenever you click any sentence, or then it will just hide for every click. Okay. If you just refresh your page, then it will come again. So but what is these are the paragraph tag. We already discussed about the paragraph tag, Nazar.
Yes.
Yeah, just a simple display of sentences or any string. We use paragraph tag to just display simple sentences or any string. Okay, nothing else on our browser. So these the output. The one second, let me just copy this. Actually, I have that copy also. Where is here? Okay, we have already, but this is I just changed. So let me just copy paste. I will change it. jQuery. Let me run on our. I just copied this code and save into my files, and that file within the JavaScript folder. Nothing else. JavaScript jQuery. I just name my file jQuery.php. That's why I'm just running jQuery.php. So these the output main the output because of the paragraph tag, nothing else. Okay. But the
Okay.
working of this page is because of jQuery. Means whenever you click, it will just hide particular paragraph tag. Okay, if you click here, it will hide. If you click here, it will hide. If you just refresh, then it will appear again. Okay, so this is the working. Now let's see how we just did that. Let's see in the code. Okay, Nazar. This is our simple HTML start and head start. Okay, simple. Now just concentrate on this line. This is nothing, just a including of JavaScript, or you can say jQuery library file. We are including library file into our page. What we are doing, Nazar?
Now please repeat.
We are just including library file. Including means we are just putting the content of that file into our page, our this page. Include function. Do you remember include function of PHP?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So
same
where did
as,
you get that HTML link?
sorry,
Where is the HTML link from?
XML. No, I didn't get you, Nazar. I didn't get
H-
you.
where's this link from?
Yeah, this link.
It's from where?
Yeah, I'll just tell you. If you run that link into your browser, then you will get the code. This code is JavaScript code. Okay, in this code there's so many functions defined. Okay, we will use that functions directly. We will just write the name of that function, nothing else. Means this is a JavaScript library file for our jQuery. Okay, what is this,
Okay.
Nazar? This is a library file. Okay, just keep in your mind, this is a library file. Okay, so if you want to use jQuery functions, jQuery syntaxes, then you have to include this file every time. Yes, but not necessary you have to use this link. You can directly just control A, copy, control means just copy this, select all and copy the code, and go to your editor, create new file, just paste that file and paste that code, whatever you copied from the browser, save into your folder. Okay, just write the name min.js. I already saved that code. Okay, with the min.js. Okay, I just write min2.js, min2, okay, min1.js. .js, you have to use extension .js extension. Okay, Nazar, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. So what I have did, just concentrate. I just use a library. Why? Because I want to include the definition of jQuery function. Why? Because I'm going to use jQuery functions into my file, into my page. Okay. So this is nothing, just a including of JavaScript library. How we include? Using script tag. I just already told you, script with the help of a script tag is script. This is the property of a script tag, src. We can include any JavaScript file. This is the live file. We can include also the live files or our local files. This is the live file. We will include our local file also. I will show you the example with the local file also. Okay. We
Okay.
see this src, script tag src, in the case of validations. Did you remember, Nazar? When we use JavaScript validation, I just put all the code of JavaScript into one .js file, and I just include that file into our file, into our main file, using this script tag.
Okay.
Did you remember when we just learn
Yeah.
about the validations with the JavaScript validations? then we just use this script tag. Okay, so why we use script tag with src property? To including the library of jQuery is coded with JS language, okay, JavaScript language. So we included the definition of every function, and so many, and this file is just used for some common functions we generally use in, means this library you have to include. Okay, there's so many other libraries also for different tasks, but but common function, you can say the common or fundamental functions. If you want to use the fundamental functions of jQuery, then you have to include this file first. Okay, okay, Nazar.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we have done, we included the library file. Yes, we included the library file. Next, all the JavaScript code we write within the script tag or not, Nazar?
Yeah.
In case of JavaScript, we write all the JavaScript code within the script tag. So also the jQuery code also we should write within the script tag. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now what we have done in this code. Now this is the jQuery code. Nothing else, just a jQuery code. Okay. This document means you have to use the document dollar within the single brackets document. It just indicate our current document. Okay, this document just indicate our current document. Okay,
Okay.
dot ready is a function, and we use this function keyword also in the jQuery the after this initializing any predefined function. This function keyword ready is a function. It just indicate that, yeah, whenever this document is ready means whenever it refreshed and we just display on the browser, means it is on the ready condition. Ready condition means whenever we just refreshed, and yeah, it is the ready condition. Right now it is the ready condition of our document. Means we can, if we change anything, yeah, it will be changed on the that particular document, our .php, or it could be the .php file, it could be the .html file, any file. Currently we are using .php file. Okay, so document.ready just indicate our current document and the ready condition. Means at the time of execution means it is executing or not. Our document right now it is displayed, we just execute or not, Nazar? By typing the
Yeah.
url we just execute our file. So this is just indicate that, nothing else. Means at the time of execution of this current document, this line of code just for we will see so many times this line of code. Okay, most of the function we will write
Okay.
within this line of code. Means you can remove this. Within this you will just write so many functions. Okay, so many functions, so many logic within this line of code. Okay, Nazar?
Okay.
So just concentrate on just some syntaxes. Means is start with dollar symbol and document one reserved keyword dot ready function, inbuilt function. It will just indicate our current document is on being execute. Okay, and the brackets, these brackets close of function, this is the bracket and this is the curly bracket. Okay, this curly bracket ends after then the small bracket end and the semicolon for end of the line, end of the function, document function. Okay,
Okay.
now we will use within this different functions within these line of code, different function of jQuery. You can also use the JavaScript function. Okay, Now we will use only jQuery functions right now. Now dollar symbol just indicate that is maybe there is any predefined keyword or any ID of HTML tag, any class name of HTML tag, or any class of HTML tag. Okay, I'll just repeat. ID. We already discussed ID. I can give any ID. Okay, PID. I'll just give. You can give any name. Okay. So if you want to use this particular function only, this particular paragraph only into our this function means what is my requirement? I just want to create this function only for this ID means only for this paragraph. Then what should I write? I should write just a hash and PID hash hash. Just indicate that in jQuery means we are going to use ID of any HTML tag. This is the HTML tag or not? P. Yeah, we have ID. Now let's see what is the changes in our output. Now if I click here, nothing is happening. But if I click here, it is removed. But these two are not removing. Why? Because we just use this function for don't see this line of code. I will just describe this line of code. Okay, we are just using that function for this particular ID. So we can use ID. Okay, we can use class also. How we use class? If I just remove this, okay, I will just give the class here. I can give class property of any HTML tag also. Okay, ID property and the class property. P class. You can give any name. I just giving P class. Now in this you can use class also. Dot P class. P class. So it will now this function will execute only for this second paragraph. Okay, let me show you. Only second paragraph will be hidden, not first one and not third one. It will just hide the second. Okay, Nazar, did you get the difference?
Yeah.
Okay. So we can use hash with for ID, we can use dot for class. Just keep in your mind, we will use so many times, you will by heart this thing. Okay, just don't get afraid to using ID, how we use ID, how we use class. Okay, we will use so many times, then it will just you will get the remembered all the things. Okay, now third thing what we are doing, we are using only P. What indicate that P? That P just indicate all the paragraph tag within your document. All the paragraph tag within your document. That P just indicate that all the paragraph tag within your document. Okay, Nazar? Means
Yeah.
we didn't use any class name or ID name. We didn't use any class name or ID name. We directly use P. P means all the paragraph tag. Okay, so this one also, for this one also, for this one also. Okay, now dot click. Now let's see the function dot click. Click means whenever we clicked means if you just click here means we are clicking on our paragraph. These text within our paragraph or not, paragraph tag. Yeah, means
Yeah.
we are clicking our paragraph. So this function will execute on click. Click is a function, predefined function. We use the function keyword, and within the curly brackets we use this $this dot hide. Just as as this function hide indicate means it is going to hide that particular tag. What is this? We already discussed about this will just indicate the current element. Current element means we are clicking here, means we are clicking on the first paragraph tag. So this will indicate the current element, means first paragraph tag, this paragraph tag. Okay, means in the jQuery and the JavaScript, dollar this just understand which is the current element as per the event. This on click event or not click is the event of paragraph tag. Okay, so when this event is fired, whenever we click, if we click here, then paragraph click will fire. If we click here, then also paragraph click will fire. But how we just distinguish the which paragraph clicked has been fired? So with the help of this just indicate the current element. This just indicate the current element of HTML, whatever be the event. Okay, now what we are doing, dot click function, dollar this dot hide also a one predefined function of jQuery. It just hide the particular tag, means whole it can hide whole div or a whole form. Okay, whole table, it can hide whole the table. If we just give the id here, table id, and just use this function, then it will hide the table from the view. Okay, Nazar?
Yeah.
So this is our simple jQuery code. Means yeah, we will use this line of code so many times, and this is nothing else, just a JavaScript function, on click function. We already see the on click events in the JavaScript, same
Yeah.
as just a syntax change. What we are doing, on click event for every paragraph tag, whatever be in our examples. Okay, yeah, we can, if I just copy paste hit this line of code 2 or 3 times, yeah, it will run for all paragraph tag, for all paragraph tag. Okay, you can hide anyone from the your browser screen. But whenever you click, means on click event. Okay, Nazar?
Yeah. I'm here.
Yeah, now I just want to hide this first one only. Okay, let me just remove this. So what should I give? Only hash PID, means I can use this dot click function using within this bracket, this line of code. You can use ID, class name, id name, class name, or a particular class of any HTML tag. This is the class or not, means these are the paragraph tag. So all paragraph tag. Okay, if I use only P, then it will indicate all paragraph tag. Now it is indicating only particular ID tag. Whatever with the ID, PID, whatever with the tag, it will hide that tag. Okay, let me show you. Hash for id and dot for class. Hash for id and dot for class. Okay,
Okay.
now if I didn't use this, okay, I'm not going to use this. Okay, I just remove this. Now it will not give any error on our browser. Means I just run this, but it is not working. It is working or not, Nazar? It is not working. Our jQuery code is not working, and there is no error also. How we see the error of jQuery and the JavaScript? You have to right click on your browser, go to inspect. Okay, then there is one below window, window will open. You have to go to console tab. Where, Nazar? Console tab.
Yes.
You have to go to console tab. Okay, uncode reference error, dollar is not defined. What we are getting, dollar is not defined. Which dollar is not defined? Let me see, on the line number 6. Okay, this is the line. on the line number 60, this dollar is not defined, means we didn't use the definition of this, means even that this dollar definition also there into our paragraph, our libraries. Okay, it will give you the particular only first error. Okay, not the all the error, means dollar not defined, document not defined, ready not defined, dot click not defined, okay, this not defined, hide not defined. It will not give you all the error, the first one, first error. Okay, jQuery just give you first error only. Okay, and it will not give you error on your browser screen. It will, you if you want to check the error, you have to go to console. Okay, and if you are running the our Mozilla Firefox, one second, Java localhost JavaScript JavaScript and our jQuery.php. I just name my file jQuery.php. In this Mozilla Firefox also have the option of, one second, just right click and inspect element also, or inspect element with Firebug. But this option will come after you have to include one advanced. There is some advanced in the Mozilla Firefox. One second, my system just, okay, advanced. Nazar, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, you have to go to advanced for the option. Which option? Inspect element with Firebug. Okay, you have to search here Firebug. Then it will just give you the options of Firebug, and you have to just install. Okay, means there is some they already installed Mozilla Firebug. That's why it is not that particular Mozilla Firebug. It is not just giving you this. We already installed Firebug 2.0.3. Okay,
Okay.
you have to install one advanced into your browser, Mozilla browser. Okay, Firefox browser. Then only you will get this option. Which option? The last option. Inspect element with Firebug. Otherwise, you will get this option. You can use this option also. Okay. In the
Okay.
go to in the console. Okay.
Okay.
In the console, go to JS, and you have to just refresh. It is not coming. Maybe you have to in the Java, in the Mozilla Firefox, you have to install Firebug. Means you have to add the Firebug. In the Firebug, you have to just go to console and the errors. Okay, and you have to just refresh your page. Then it will give you error. Document.ready function means dollar is not defined. Means so many there is errors. Okay, okay, Nazar.
Yeah.
So this is uh, because we didn't use, why we are getting error, Nazar? Why we are getting errors,
The
Nazar?
source.
Because of this, we didn't included that file. We have to include the library of Java jQuery, minimum jQuery library, Nazar.
Yes.
Okay, and now let's see how we include our library in with the local library. This is the uh, server library means if you don't have the internet connection, then you cannot able to run this example. Okay, means it will give you the same error, dollar not defined. So what I have done, I just save all the code. Means this is the code. Yeah, it is a one line code, but this is the all the code we I just save from the browser. Means I just put the URL into browser, copy and just paste and save into min1.js. Now we can include this min1.js. Now this, how we include src, and this file is in our same folder, www.javascript min1.js, in our same folder. So just write the name of that file, min1.js. So we included a local file, but the code is same. Okay, our library we just included jQuery library. Now if you run your code, yeah, it will work perfect. No problem. I just use only id for first thing. If I use only p without hash, then it will just for every paragraph tag. Okay, Nazar?
Okay.
You can use any other tag also, any button also, anything. Okay. So this is our
Okay.
simple jQuery example. Okay, we will see so many functions, and we will see Ajax with the jQuery. Okay, means we will run the Ajax with the help of jQuery. What is the Ajax, Nazar?
As as scroll circle modus, JavaScript and XML.
Yeah, why we use the Ajax, Nazar?
It loads data in the background and displays it on the web page without you having to load the page.
Okay, yeah. We don't need to just refresh or put all the page on the server and take the response. We will just uh, asynchronously go to the server and fetch the data as per our requirement and show on the our website. Means it will just save the load of the server, and our page will not be refreshed. Will not be refreshed means our whole page will not be submit to server. Okay, we will just discuss in detail when we learn the JavaScript. Sorry, Ajax. Now we are learning jQuery. So what you have to do? In today you have to just start with the home. Just understand the introduction. Don't just waste of time in the introduction. Start with syntaxes. Why we use syntax? Just try to learn about the syntaxes. I will just repeat all the things, means briefly all these things. Main thing means syntaxes, selector, why we use this, hide the current element, p dot hide all paragraph element, test dot hide means hide all element with class test. Okay, so you just try to understand. Okay, till the events. Okay, Nazar? And if you have any query,
Okay.
you can ask me into our next session. And in the next session, we will learn main function of jQuery, and maybe today, maybe tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, we will learn Ajax. Okay, Nazar?
What time is class tomorrow?
7 o'clock. Seven means
What time?
same time, Nazar. Same time.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye, Nazar. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye bye.